So far, we learned how to install Unity and create a new project. We learned about Unity interface and how to create, modify, transform game objects, and navigate and orbit the scene. We also learned how to assign materials to them. Now, it's a great time to put all that in the test through a challenge. Are you ready? Okay, create a new Unity project named Part 1 Challenge. Use what you learned so far to create a model like the one on the screen. If you completed the task and like more challenge, feel free to develop the model into something more interesting and share the result in the comments. In the coming parts of this course, we will learn about Unity scripting, components, user interface, scenes and level design, audio, physics, networking, publishing, and more. We will also create a project to practice all these concepts. So looking forward to see you there. Good luck.